Hello. Paguro ka uli. And nako'y ask na question sa inyo, Kinsa ka or who are you when you are alone? Who are you when you are not trying to impress anyone but yourself? Who are you when you're not trying to perform anything or for anyone? Diba? If mong answer kay I don't know or hesitant ka moingon og anything or wala jud kay maingon, maybe that's the reason why nganong ka-chase ka sa mga butang nga gahatag nimo og identity. I mean, chasing people bisag dili wala nila respeto imong boundaries or kanang they just simply nice to you but they're not really into you. Nagapakita kag interest sila and then that gives you an identity na you are this, you are that, you are giving something and all. You're trying to perform or you're chasing a community bisan pag kanang kapila ng times na ginapa-feel nila sa imuha na di ka belong or not na community but just a community but a group of friends, group of people chasing opportunities na bisag empty na kayo or isa blatant scam. You just choose to chase it because abinimog na kay ginabuhat and that's the identity you chase. And if ever na kay maingon nga kung kinsa ka, then congrats, you are not trying to please anyone and you can set boundaries na nindot and that says na somehow you are full. I mean, you are a whole person. You are not dependent sa outside circumstances o outside na mga butang just to say nga kanika. Just something na to think about kay many of us we build our identity sa social media na para makita sa ibang tao, but most of us wala kaila kung kinsa jud ta when we are alone or unsa ba nga to ang mga prinsipyo, kinsa ba gyud ta, unsa to mga baruganan. Who are we when we are alone? Who are we og kita lang? Unsa tong ginabuhat og kita lang? Proud ba ta sa atong mga kaugalingon? Proud ba ta sa atong self kung kita na lang or kita lang? And that's something na akong ponder upon, like I think manggod ang quality sa tao makita kung unsa ang yang ginabuhat na wala niya unsa yang ginabuhat when he's alone, di ba? Or wala siya gina-impress nga tao, di ba? And that's his most genuine self. O kung unsay ma-notice sa uban sa iyahan naturally, is that mao na yang ginabuhat pirmi, di ba? Kung pirmi ka gabagulbol, makita sa uban na gabagulbol ka pirmi, maybe that's what you do in your spare time. Or if kanang makita sa uban ng randomly, ma-notice na sa uban nga galimpyo ka or something nga na meaning limpyado jud ka na tao. And that is character. I mean, and that is how you build character, is to do something na ma-proud ka when you're alone, diba? Not that what you think pero dili ka lang mo imong ginauna, pero kanang ma-proud ka sa imong self, unsa imong ginabuhat na ma-proud ka sa imong self alone. Do you write books? Not books but bisag poems lang. Do you write something? Do you read something interesting na imong ginabuhat? Do you help people bisag way nakakita? Do you further kanang sharpen your saw, diba? Or diba, last topic na to, kanang if you go to the gym, diba? Manaw na realize mas gwapo gyud niya dili niyo i-post ang inyong mag-post mo og gym kanang kuan kana na resulta. Wala lang kay mas gwapo kung may kaingon ko sa mong self, oh shit, nag-lose ko weight, nang mapingon sa mong self una ba. I mean, to flex is not bad. Pero to flex para sa external validation, I guess mo nang kanang something na murag, you know. And dahil mo gud ang mahimo kang proud kaysa kanang ga-fetch lang kag external validation ba. So yeah, nabanggala ka ko mo nang ginahon-hon na, and I just want to let it out yan eh. Kay it really kanang resonates ako me, extrovert ko nga tao, no. And I can't, dili na ko i-deny nga at some point kanang nakoy gina-impress na tao, or gusto na may nag-fetch po ko kanang external validation ba. And kanang sa akong kuan, kanang ironic gani kay kanang bisag kani like kanang pag storya nako and igawas na ako sa YouTube kay kanang it's a form of it, but I don't really want to think na kana akong tuyo genuinely, because as I've said, kanang ginabuhat no ko ni to remind myself, no, kay say makalimot man ka, and I just don't want to kanang write down kay dili gyapon ako ginabasa. I just caught myself kanang watching old videos of me talking, kaya naghan po og videos na nga ni naka-save lang. And also I want to, you know, improve my speech. Back to the topic, no, because this is not about me. Kinda, pero mo ni siya kanang, again, ask yourself that question: who are you when you're alone? Who are you when you're not trying to impress anyone? Who are you when you're not kanang trying to perform for somebody or anyone? And that's how you build character. And I think mora na ako mayaw-yaw. And kung na may mga na may comments, ug na may kadugang niya akong istorya, feel free to comment. And kanang paabot sa inyo ang komento ug kanang inyong opinion po. Ora na guys. Thank you and good night. Bye.